Hello, I'm Gus Downing, publisher and editor of the D&D Daily, and this is the LP News Network. We're here today with Wouter Ubbels, Director of Channel Sales Americas, and Pat O'Leary, Vice President and General Manager of Nedap North America. Nedap's retail mission is to move markets with technologies that matter. They design and manufacture innovative products, services, and solutions based on more than 40 years of global experience, market expertise, and close cooperation with leading retailers to serve their clients' diverse needs in loss prevention. Nedap North America is the retail division of Nedap Inc., located in Wakefield, Mass. The company is a leading innovator and manufacturer of intelligent loss prevention solutions. Nedap's intelligent article surveillance solutions bridge the gap between high-performance loss prevention and a pleasant customer experience, with smart features such as metal detectors, dashboarding, customer counting, and much more. Experience shows that EAS can reduce losses by 40%. Intelligent article surveillance takes this to the next level and cuts your shrinkage by an additional 20%. Nedap's iSense products are designed to give you cutting-edge, high-performance loss prevention innovation at the lowest cost of ownership. Their solutions are built to last for 10 years or more, but usually it only takes 6 months to break even. Visitor intelligence for effective staff management and advertisement panels adds to your bottom line. Nedap's RF and RFID article surveillance solutions combine the latest innovative technology. They also offer best-in-class RF-based EAS antennas, reliable deactivation at checkout, and 100% tested RF labels and hard tags. Nedap's RF EAS systems, which are easily upgradable to RFID, allows you to future-proof and be RFID ready for tomorrow. Retail is undergoing a massive change at the moment. Global availability, stock accuracy, and visibility into causes of shrinkage are must-have problems on every retail executive's agenda. Using RFID for loss prevention as well as for inventory management will become inevitable. In order to protect your business today, invest in future-proof RFID-ready EAS solutions, and when you're ready, roll it out quickly and cost-effectively. With that, I'd like to welcome Wouter and Pat. Gentlemen.
Thanks for having us, Gus.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
You know, being new to market, can you tell us how Nedap is different?
Well, a couple things. First off, technically we've been installing EAS since 1973. So being new to the market, we've been in North America for since 2009 is when we installed our first system here. So we like to look at it as we are being a little bit more progressive and proactive as far as getting the Nedap name out into the retail marketplace. I would say the biggest differentiator, and we'll talk about some of the additional things that make Nedap different, but when you think of traditional EAS providers in the world globally, they are manufacturing the product, they are selling the retailers the product, they are servicing the product, and they basically own the product, they own the technology from end to end. We look at things a little bit differently, as we'll get into it a little bit more, but we are a manufacturer of EAS, and we focus our efforts on providing an open platform technology to our partners to allow them to grow for the future as we migrate. You hit on a lot of the key points that we hit on, and that is customer counting, being upgradable to IP, or being upgraded to RFID. It is an IP-based solution. We can have built-in metal detection. We can incorporate with your VMS solution, your alarm panels, your POS system. So we are an open platform that allows us to be more flexible and upgradable as things evolve in retail.
Mm-hmm. You know, from a technology standpoint, what makes Nedap different?
I would say the big thing that you highlighted is the iSense platform, and that is being able to have that open architecture, open API that allows us to integrate with different parts of the retailer's business. We take a lot of pride in partnering and being a non-proprietary solution. We have several partners that Wouter will talk about as far as how we go to market and what direction we go with that.
You know, how are you different from an execution standpoint, speaking of that?
So as Pat mentioned, we work with integrators together, or as we would like to call them, partners. And that allows us to execute our systems and install our systems in over 120 countries. And it also allows us to give our customers the best possible service, because we have partners that are used to the local market and give a local service to what the retailer needs. It also allows us, and as Pat mentioned, it allows the retailer to choose. We give them an option here in the United States to choose the technology, our technology, because that's what we're selling, but to choose which service they want and what kind of service level they want, because we have several business partners here in the United States.
What's your market strategy, being new to the market?
So our market strategy is that we would like to become, well, obviously the biggest, because we want to be the biggest.
Certainly.
But we want to be a good solution provider for the retailers here in North America. So we want to be a solution that helps them into the future. As Pat mentioned, our systems are RFID upgradable. They have metal detection, which is a huge feature for ORC, if you ask us. And we would like to become that partner for the retailers to help them into the future with their loss prevention systems.
Yeah. The one thing that I noticed in going through your website was the applicability, the ability to upgrade your systems quickly, easily, and just by applying these various tools that looks relatively simple. I mean, is it that simple? Has Nedap been able to develop the technology that allows that simplicity?
I was very simple. I mean, we are planning for the future. When we install, it is a matter of how you want it now and how you want it, or 2 years from now, how you want it 5 years from now. So we are planning for the future, and in some cases it's just flicking a switch. In some cases it's adding additional components to the system, but it is all backwards compatible to the future.
You know, how do you view the future of article surveillance going from EAS to RFID? It's a massive undertaking and impacting the world of retail.
So what we see is that stock accuracy is the most important thing. Retailers want to know what kind of products they have in their store. And we feel that this starts with loss prevention, because if a product is stolen, it's not in your store anymore and you can't sell it. So we want to focus on how a retailer can sell more of their products. And we believe that our products, our systems, are ready now and even help in the next 10 years. As you stated in your opening sentences, we believe that we're install a system now, you can still have profit of it in 10 years from now. And that's how we see the future. Add-ons, add RFID, add metal detection, add customer counters. Be flexible to the retailer and what they need now, but also in the next couple of years. And don't have to install a whole new system. No, add something to your existing system and make your investment worthwhile.
And allow them to use the integrator that they want to use or are accustomed to use and already have established relationships with.
Exactly.
Flexibility is key.
That doesn't mean that we would like to commoditize our partners, because we have a very strong partner network and we value that relationship. But we want the best for our retailers too. So that's where we find the mix.
Well, I want to thank you both for being here today. Thank you very much. And we wish you the best of luck in this effort.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you, guys.
Well, that's it for this episode, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to thank you for watching. And until next time, let's keep them all safe out there.